Today is a beautiful day to have Babita Maheswary, I hope I'm pronouncing right, born in 1981 in New Delhi, India. How are you, Babita?
I'm fine, Carly. How are you?
I'm happy to see you, happy to chat with you.
Me
As
too.
always, meeting and discovering artists is a pleasure.
Oh, thank you.
Babita,
Yeah,
I noticed by looking
yeah,
at your curriculum, you are a young artist,
yeah.
meaning you have very few exhibits. Was there a crucial moment that makes you to take the path of an artist?
Yeah, Carly, you can say that I'm a young artist career-wise, and but as a child, having a hobby of drawing and competition, drawing and painting, I've collected many certificates and prizes. But as I entered teen age, my father expired, and everything was changed at the time. The life changed for me. Completed my graduation and got married. After 14 years of marriage, I saw I'm not having a perfect, you can say, a path of my own. I started feeling uneasy as if I'm missing something in my life. So I strongly started finding my goal, which can give actual sense to my life. So it took around more than uh, 3 years of hard work to begin to find my way as a self-taught artist. And now today I can say that I'm happy how far I have been and where I am heading. So one thing is Carly sure that if you are going to lead a meaningful life, um, you have uh, something good which you can give to the world. That's my opinion. And now painting has become a passion to me. It's like dissolving myself in the ocean of colors.
I admire you very much. I like you,
Thank you
Babita.
so
You are
much.
an example of a woman. Babita, can
Yeah.
you say that New Delhi's art scene influences your work?
Yeah, definitely. Exhibitions in Delhi are one of the best in entire South Asian region. And moreover, international exhibitions are mostly held in Delhi and Mumbai. So it definitely helped me out in improving my creativeness, my skills, my observation, my techniques. When I go and visit exhibitions, I really absorb different varieties of artwork into me.
I love it every single minute that you talk.
Oh,
Babita, and the last question that every single artist get. If you have the opportunity to meet the
yeah.
artist that inspires you the most, who would that be?
It would be UK-based artist. That is it. And officially, he's famous with the name Swaraz. And I'm impressed by his art journey and the way he used colors. He was a parcel boy, and after an incident, he left his job and started as a journey as a self-taught artist. And having no knowledge of color, medium, techniques, uh, he keep on trying, and now he is a successful man. And I love watching his YouTube tutorials and his huge paintings. And so he loves colors, and I too love. So I'm new to this art world,
Okay.
and I haven't searched. I mean, I don't have many knowledge of about various artists.
Okay.
But when I started my career as an artist, I'm influenced by this artist. That's why I mentioned this artist. Uh,
It's okay. That's the person that inspires you. Your story, Babita, is one of a kind. It is truly an example to many women out there.
yes,
It is an honor to have you at LinkedIn Women of the World.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Carly, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this great show. I'm happy.